And now we'll come to another session. Can I ask a quick show of hands? Anybody's a resident in the UAE? Well, we've got one here, two, three, and a lot more that will become residents. Now, as a resident, when you think about Sharaf, isn't one of the first thoughts that you have is Sharaf DG, no? Like, yeah, electronic shopping. Well, actually, Sharaf DG is a very small fraction of the business of Sharaf Group. They are really a group that has operations in 60 countries, more than 400 global locations, and from anywhere from shipping to logistics to retail to sustainability. It's an enterprise that is really balancing transformation with tradition. And we're excited to have with us the Vice President of Sharaf Group. He also serves as the Chairman of Emirates Logistics, as well as the Vice Chairman of the UAE Shipping Association, and he's also the President of the Dubai Shipping Association. And he will now share with you how to build a sustainable and impactful ecosystem, how Sharaf Group really combines sustainability, e-waste management, and green initiatives with innovation programs. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Salah Sharaf. Welcome!
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's a great honor to address you today at the Expand North Star, one of the region's most dynamic platforms for innovation, entrepreneurship, and technology. This event reflects the energy of Dubai, a city that never stands still, alive with creativity, innovations, and the diversity of people from every corner of the world, who come here to build their dreams, to create, and to achieve. Building on that energy, I would like to speak about a subject that reflects our vision and our responsibility at Sharaf Group. Corporate innovation beyond technology, building sustainable and impactful ecosystems. At Sharaf, we believe that innovation is not limited to digital tools or advanced systems. Real innovation goes beyond technology. It is driven by vision, powered by people, and measured by progress. It is about how businesses achieve progress that benefits both the economy and the society around them. Across the Sharaf Group, from shipping to logistics, to retail, travel, hospitality, and real estate, our philosophy is simple. Innovation must create value that drives growth, serves people, and shapes a better future. We see sustainability not as a separate initiative, but as a driver of innovation. It challenges us to think differently, use resources more efficiently, and create long-term value. Whenever we introduce solutions, we ask ourselves, can this reduce environmental impact or emissions? Can it improve efficiency and transparency? Can it create positive impact for people and partners? This mindset shapes our strategy from greener supply chains to more efficient facilities, cleaner energy use, and more responsible expansion. A clear example of Sharaf Group's commitment to sustainability is Green Future, our own battery recycling company that is already operational and leading way in responsible resource recovery. Based in Dubai Industrial City, Green Future recycles used lead-acid batteries through advanced environmental safe processes. The facility separates and recovers lead alloys, plastics, while neutralizing battery acid into harmless byproducts, ensuring that nothing harmful returns to the environment. By transforming hazardous waste into reusable materials, Green Future plays a vital role in circular economy, reducing pollution, conserving natural resources, and supporting cleaner industrial growth. It is a strong example of how Sharaf Group combines innovation with environmental responsibility, turning sustainability into measurable, lasting impact and more responsible future for the UAE. Our logistics and maritime operations are also embracing green transformation. At Emirates Logistics and Emirat Maritime, we are using route optimizing systems to cut fuel consumption and emission while exploring ammonia and LNG as a cleaner fuel alternative for our vessels. On land, we are already deploying electric trucks across Emirates Logistics, further reducing urban emissions and improving last mile efficiency. We are also proud that several of our logistic facilities are LEED Platinum certified, reflecting the highest international standards for sustainability, energy efficiency, and environmental performance. Together, these initiatives represent more than operational improvements. They reflect cultural shift across Sharaf Group from traditional operations to responsible, forward-thinking, and sustainable logistics. Every new development we undertake supports the UAE's net zero 2050 vision and aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We believe that every building and hotel within our group should not only provide comfort and service, but also respect to the environment, a philosophy that defines how we design, build, and operate for the future. Sustainability cannot succeed without partnership. It requires ecosystem with ideas, relationships, and people come together to drive shared progress. At Sharaf, we have established an innovation council to connect our divisions and align with our sustainability goals. We host innovation challenges to inspire our employees to think creatively and act boldly. We also partner with leading technology providers, startups, and institutions to adopt and implement the latest solutions in logistics, renewable energy, and digital transformation. Because innovation, in our view, is not about competition. It is about working together. It is about building partnerships that makes industry grow stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. To ensure progress, we measure impact continuously, not annually or quarterly, but in real time. Across our operations, performance is monitored on a minute-by-minute basis, from vessel efficiency and carbon emission levels to energy use within our logistics center. This precision enables us to understand our environmental footprint more clearly, improve operational efficiency, and make informed decisions that lead to long-term emission reduction. Each business unit also tracks defined sustainability metrics from fuel optimization and waste management to energy efficiency, ensuring that innovation translates into measurable and responsible progress. These are not just performance indicators, they reflect a culture of accountability and continuous improvement within Sharaf Group, one that uses data and purpose to drive sustainable growth for the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the vision of Expand North to inspire innovation and connect global ecosystems aligns perfectly with the spirit of Dubai and the mission of Sharaf Group. Innovation beyond technology is not just about invention, it is about action. It is about transforming ideas into results and building progress that lasts. As we look to the future, we are guided by the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, whose leadership transformed Dubai into a global symbol of determination and possibility. His words, "The future belongs to those who can imagine it, design it, and execute it," continues to inspire our journey. At Sharaf, we carry that spirit forward to act with purpose, to lead responsibly, and to contribute to sustainable and prosperous UAE. Because innovation in the end is not measured by numbers. It is measured by progress that uplifts people and supports future generations. That is the Sharaf Group vision, a vision of sustainability, partnership, and trust. Thank you.